How to do a whiteboard quick and easy. Take your webcam, tape it to a stick, attach the stick to something solid, computer case, put that on your desk, pointing the camera down at a sheet of paper. Open up a new PowerPoint. Go and change the layout to blank. Go to Record Slideshow. From current slide is fine. It is now waiting for you to record your audio. This red button up in the top will start. Then you can stop and close. So here we go. This is a test. Notice that it is recording stuff. Okay, now we're done. Close the window. Notice that it's at the bottom. When I click on it, I get pull tabs. I can pull it to full screen, slide it to the center. I now have a slide that will do video. Now that we've got our slide, I can go to File, Export, Create a Video. Default settings are probably fine. Create video. Give it a place to save it. Down here at the bottom is the progress bar. Bigger slides will take longer.